Nagin-Lake houseboat stay at night. This is a houseboat where we are staying in the houseboat today's night at Srinagar. This is the one which is we are going to have the first welcome, or we have the hall.
Hi. 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 Staying with. Hello.
All are here. We are staying in this night, and we are enjoying the night in this houseboat.
Hi.
So we are entering into the dining hall. So this is the dining hall where we can enjoyed dinner today's. Very nicely arranged dining hall. With this, we have the very nice dining setup in this houseboat. So we are very much impressed about the houseboat, and I am taking you to my home, my bedroom. So this is the one which is we have our bedroom. So this is a passage in the houseboat where it consisting many rooms. So my wife is welcoming me in the room. This is our today's stay at room, that is a houseboat bedrooms we have. Very nicely, it is very nicely engaged and nicely decorated. Nicely we had the food and spending the night in this houseboat at Srinagar.